Saronic raises $650 million, the future of naval defence. Saronic Technologies is making big waves, literally and financially. The Austin-based company just raised a massive $600 million in Series C funding, pushing the valuation to $4 billion. That's 4 times what it was just 7 months ago. Not bad for a company building ships that don't need captains. Saronic's mission? To modernise naval shipbuilding with autonomous surface vehicles, or ASVs, that can extend the naval's operational reach, protect sailors and be produced faster and more affordable. The latest creation, the Corsair, is the largest ASV to date, proving that the future of marine defence might just steer itself. But they're not stopping there. With this funding, Saronic plans to build Port Alpha, a next-gen shipyard designed to scale up autonomous ship production like never before. Think World War II shipbuilding speeds, but with 21st century tech. Investors like Eli Gill, General Catalyst, and the ever-present Silicon Valley heavyweights are all backing Saronic's vision to boost America's maritime strength with smarter, faster shipbuilding. So while the idea of robot ships once felt like sci-fi, Saronic's making it clear the future of naval defence is already here, and yes, it comes without a captain's hat. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimised workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.